This is my funded trading account. I got it by passing the Apex evaluation, and I didn't risk over thousands and thousands of dollars, which I had to do with my personal accounts. In this video, I will show you how you can do the same thing with your own trading, and I will tell you my personal story that got me to that level. Right here is the trade I took, and you can really see that it was a really clean setup. It was basic ICT market maker models. You have the liquidity grab above here, then you have the shift lower, and then you have the confirmation. And I just entered right around here in this fair value gap, and you can see my stop loss was above this order block, so I got almost stopped out, but then the market reversed and delivered beautifully, and it was made in about an hour, right? So this is the time it took for me to pass the account almost. But I also did another trade because one trade didn't I couldn't pass it in one trade. So the other trade I took, I will show you now. So right here is the screenshot of the trade I took. It was just 1-to-1. That was the thing that was missing for me, and it was just liquidity grab, market maker, sell model continuation, and it was a really safe trade. But in the end, it did actually reverse up here, so I was pretty lucky. But this was all I needed to pass the account, and now I can show you the balance. So the number one thing that really right here you can see the balance, really and you can see I passed it on the dot. Way I thought about trading. I thought more about it in a way that I have to risk more of my own capital to make more, right? This is what I already told. But really think about it. If you want to be successful, if you want to make 10K a month with trading, right? Like if you include the probability, you would need to risk more and risk more of your own capital, have more challenges, have more scale. This was all the top traders are also saying. If you have $1 million funded scale, you can really easy make 100K in trading. But if you have one funded account, it doesn't even matter like how much payouts you're getting, because the scale is the important part. So I want you to risk more on the different funded accounts and different evaluations, because at the end it doesn't really matter that much how you've traded on the evaluation, because only the funded stage is that thing that matters. And if you have 10 funded accounts, you pass every one of them, and you make with your first payout the minimum amount of like $500 that you can request at 2.6K on Apex. You just made 5K, 5,000, and this is a good monthly income, and everybody can make on one account $500 profit, right? So in 1 month, so you can make 5K if you have the scale. So in trading, it's all about scale. Think about that. It's all about scale. It's not about how good of a trader you are. It's how much you risk and how much you're willing to take and how you think about it. So think about it more than like a business, and not like, oh, I have to turn this $5 into 5 million. It doesn't even make any sense. So see you in the next video. This is the things I wanted to talk about, and I hope you really got some knowledge about that.